Good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn with Randy. So today we're unboxing here the Ibel Mag MMA welding machine. So Mag means metal active gas. You don't need argon gas to do MIG welding. So basically it's like MIG welding, but the difference is you don't need an argon gas. So there is a feeder and flux core wire, so ranging from 0.8, 0.9 to 1 mm. So the MIG welding, basically there is a roll of MIG wire, and you can adjust the rating of amperage for the different thickness or application. So the same thing, this there is a feeder and there is a MIG wire, but it doesn't require an argon gas. Okay, that's because it is using metal active gas. And furthermore, this machine can use also for MMA. MMA means manual metal arc, means like an asmaw or using the rod, welding rod. Okay, so let us open the box and see how it looks. So as per the box, it says 5 kVA, 160 250 volt rated voltage, and MMA IGBT gasless mag welding. Okay, so let's start opening and see what is inside. So after opening the box, we will assemble it and then we will gonna try. So basically you have here, this is the earthing cable or the ground cable with clamp. Also the unit. So it is an IGBT controller unit. And as you see, there is this the welding gun. So it has a torch but doesn't have a argon gas. So on this part, this you can use for normal welding, like welding rod. Okay, normal arc welding or SMAW. So here we have the ampere adjustment. Here we have the feeder. So the feeder control, as you see, there is this turtle means slow and rabbit means fast, so you can adjust. And you can select here from mag to MMA. So mag means you are using gas or a gasless welding, means using a MIG wire. And MMA means you are using an electrode. Okay, so let me show you here. This is the MIG wire. Okay, so the welding wire, this is I think 0.8 mm we are using. So this is the adjustment when you are going to disengage here from the roller, and to remove, to change, basically here you have to open this and insert the roll and feed it here manually until it exit on here on the nozzle. Okay, so we will gonna assemble it and then let us try show you how this system works. We have assembled a roller or a jig or a trolley, I don't know how you say this, just to insert this machine or to put the machine on easily for basic welding operation. So you can pull, since it has a wheel, easily you can take it anywhere. Okay, now we're gonna try the welding. Let's try to weld it and see how the performance is. Okay, we'll try now and see how the performance is. So we have clamp here on the frame and inserted the earth cable to this negative earthing cable. So this is basically just remove, insert, and connect to the welding piece. 220 volt. So this is 50 to 20 volt, 50-60 hertz, power 1 and below. This is the power consumption. So at mag it is 35 ampere, 15.7 volt, 1 to 140 ampere, 21 volt. Okay, so it says here that X is 60%, I2 140 ampere, U2 21 volt. Meaning the current for welding is 21 volt, the amperage is 140. And for the mag, okay, so I hope you can understand this. 230 output, 22.9 ampere and 9.6. Okay, anyway, we'll try now. Let's see how this system works. So we turn on power, adjust the feeder. Now the set is on mag. Metal active gas. So there is no digital display. It's just an indicator. And here is the current. Here is the feeder. And we're gonna try now. Okay, so now we are fabricating this frame. We'll show you how the performance of this TIG welding. So we clamp on the workpiece, the earthing clamp or the cable, and then here we have the nozzle or the gun with the MIG or the wire, the welding wire. Okay, now we're gonna try and see how the performance is. So it's the same principle as the MIG welding. As I said, the difference is you don't need to use argon gas. Argon gas is a consumable thing for MIG welding. So this is gasless, and the performance is also the same as it is seamless welding. See the performance is good. Don't see any bubbles. Then try to spot and then pull weld. Okay, so if you like the video, please like and subscribe. This is a very good welding machine, very compact, handy. Look at the size. It's just around 15 inches. So it's compact and handy. It's not that heavy. You can even lift it by your hand. And it's not consuming high current also, not consuming so much of electricity as it is IGBT or electronic control. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Just message me if there's anything that if you want to clarify something. Okay, thank you. God bless everyone.